We're going to go to our item list and we're going to edit this highlighted item shown here. The multi-vendor feature allows you to track and purchase an item from one primary vendor and up to 4 alternate vendors. Unique UPCs, alternate lookups, and order cost can be defined for each vendor from whom you purchase the item. This allows you to purchase the same item from any of several vendors as availability or cost change. All purchases of the item, regardless of vendor, are pooled in inventory once received and are tracked with a single on-hand quantity, average cost, price, etc. However, the unique UPC, order costs, and alternate lookups allow you to list the item on documents using the information for any of the vendors. This feature also allows purchasing and receiving reports to be filtered by actual vendor used. To define alternate vendors for an item in inventory, we need to add each vendor. So we'll choose Graham Cables and Supplies. The order cost is 10. We will choose a number for the ALU. We will choose alternate vendors, and then we will add another vendor, a micro warehouse. You can put the UPC if you know that, and then the ALU 704, and this order cost is $10.50. You can do that for vendor number 3, 4, and 5. Once you complete that, you can click on the X, then you can select Save. If you want to print tags for an item with specific vendor information, print the tags from the purchase order or receiving voucher. When printing tags from inventory, the primary vendor's information is used. To print tags with UPC codes requires that you first customize your tag template using the print designer, shown on the File, Tools, and then Print Designer. That concludes your video on how to track items from multiple vendors.
Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and click on the bell to be notified when I make another video about point of sale. Thank you, everybody.